If you're watching this, chances are that you're a business owner looking to create quality content regularly. Here's the thing though, most people don't get what it's like to hire and deal with a video editor. They imagine having someone just working for them, cranking out videos non-stop. Sounds great, right? Wrong. That's actually where your nightmare just begins. Look, I get it. Wanting to commit to creating content makes sense. But hiring a video editor, yeah, that's not the move. In this video, I'm breaking down the 3 critical things you need to understand before you even think about hiring a video editor. By the end, you will know exactly how to handle your video editing needs, so you can actually start putting out consistent, quality content for your business. Quick intro, I'm Chris, I run Vero Media, and I've personally interviewed dozens of video editors, so I know what I'm talking about. The first issue, there are literally so many people calling themselves professional video editors. Most of them though, they're just kids trying to make some money online. It's just a quick bag because video editing seems easy. You watch some tutorials, you buy software and boom, you're a video editor. But the issue is, they don't know what they're doing. They do not understand what actually makes a good video, and even worse, they have no idea what's gonna help your business grow. They just put on some presets in Premiere Pro and call it done. So imagine this, you're talking about something important, professional, serious in your video, and they just slap on some Mr. Beast effects. Or they just copy something trendy they saw on Twitter and slap that on your video. The hiring process itself is going to be hell. You will scroll through hundreds of applications, you will send test projects to so many people. Half of them will cuss at you because you asked them for a test edit. You'll probably end up paying too much for someone underqualified. And finally, when you find someone good, they won't work with you because they have too much work with other clients. Do you have time for that? Do you know how to spot a good video editor? Oh, and the people trying to scam you. Literally, last week, I was talking to a video editor that demanded $700 per video, but couldn't even show any recent work. And his excuse was, I signed an NDA. From what I've seen, it takes around a month to find one solid video editor. So yeah, you'll probably lose a lot of money, you'll lose time, and you'll go insane in the process. The second issue, let's say you actually hired someone. Well, here's the thing, I have never gotten a video from a video editor that needed no changes. That hasn't happened to me once. Every single time there is something wrong. Typos, some weird color choices and bad fonts. Just basic stuff that needs fixing. And when you point it out, some editors will get defensive and upset that you even pointed it out. Now, you might think that I'm working with some cheap editors from overseas, but nah, like I hired people from the first world countries like Canada, America, anywhere you could think of. There are the same problems everywhere. A single 60 seconds YouTube short can have 3 rounds of revisions forth and back before it's even good enough to post. As a business owner, you don't have time for this. I tried, and trust me, I was going insane. Eventually, I just hired someone for quality control. And the third issue, managing those people is exhausting. First of all, they are slow. A YouTube video should take realistically 2 to max 3 days to finish. But video editors will tell you they need 5 or even 7 days to finish a single video, which is not true. And I know it's bullshit, because I edited, I know how much it takes, and I got team members that edit, and it never takes so much time. They are also so wildly inconsistent with their work. Sometimes you can get a masterpiece in 3 days, but then next week you get a piece of garbage. They probably spent so many hours on a portfolio piece or that test edit you send them, but when you actually hire them, yeah, the quality just tanks. Oh, and they vanish, like legitimately disappear. If you don't collect every single possible way to contact them, I'm saying phone number, email, every social media account, they'll just stop answering you on Slack one day. Then you're playing detective trying to track them down. They also don't retain feedback. I'm not saying all editors, but most of them. Like, you're gonna correct the same spelling mistakes multiple times and it will still come back the next video. You will say, use this specific font. The next video, wrong again. Also, a lot of editors just suck at communication. They can edit, sure, but texting back, sending updates, letting you know where things stand, yeah, that they cannot handle that. Even with tons of training and guidance, they never really figured that out. And don't get me started on the prices. Editors these days charge way more than they should for their skill level. You will end up paying your editor more than a professional agency, which is crazy. Look, I know this may sound harsh, but I got multiple full-time video editors on my team right now. So I deal with these exact same problems literally every day. And here's another thing, you will invest so much energy into finding that one editor that you will just go easy on them because you don't want to start over. So for the next half a year, making content becomes miserable and you're just gonna burn out and stop. And the good editors, they have so many clients that they won't be able to ever just focus on you. You will give them work and they're gonna say, can I start that in a couple of days? I just have to finish another client's work. But here's what actually works. And the real solution is working with a content agency that knows YouTube inside out. I run an agency and here's how simple it is for our clients. You film. Oh, that's it. We handle everything else. Coming up with content ideas, writing scripts for you, editing, thumbnails, SEO, uploading, everything. And cost-wise, it's about half what you would pay for a full-time video editor. But honestly, it's closer to 1/10 of the price after you factor in the amount of mental energy you have to spend dealing with a video editor. So yeah, when you compare both, the answer is pretty easy. So if I convinced you that hiring a video editor is a bad move for your business, but you still want to create content, click the first link in the description. There you can book a call and talk directly with me. We will figure out if we can work together. Also, some words from a recent client.
I started working with Chris when I had about 20,000 subscribers. I now have over 120,000. And whenever I make a video that I think, oh, this is good shit, I send it to him. I mean, for the months that I've looked and the demos I've gotten for other editors, there is literally nobody else like Chris. So yeah, you're the GOAT.
So if you want results like this, book that call now. Right, that's it. Peace.